Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block a PayPal account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, if you get spammed or you want simply to block any uh, PayPal user, you can simply uh, do these following steps. So from here, we are on the PayPal support article and we can simply go to any place where we can find the contacts. So either you can go to your website and from there we can go to send and request. So from here we will be able to find our users. So as you can see, if we go to send and from here we will find contacts. And basically in the contacts we will find all the people and from there we can start blocking other people. So you will go to contacts and you will select the name of the person. So for example here, let's just search for anyone uh, and uh, or whatever you will need just to find anything and basically we can find any user and from here for example here you will have it in the contacts. You click on the contacts and from there you will find this option. So by clicking on it you will need just to click on block these contacts and then you will need just to confirm in the pop-up. It will tell you, are you sure that you want to block this contact? And of course you will need just to click on block so you can confirm your action. And the same operation will apply if you want to unblock people. So basically you will need just to go to view blocked contacts and from here you will find the list of the people that you have blocked and then you can click on them and then click unblock again. And by that you will be able to start blocking users or unblocking them however you like. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.